Commissioner James Brown issued an advisory memorandum in November, citing reports of aggressive, deceptive, and misleading marketing tactics by some insurance carriers. The complaints include removing enrollment applications from websites, discouraging agents from selling certain plans, and altering agent compensation during the plan year.
Under Montana law, these practices would appear to be an unfair trade practice. It's inappropriate and unfair, potentially harmful to Montana consumers, particularly our senior population.
The advisory clarifies agent and carrier obligations and warns against market manipulation. The Commissioner's office has contacted federal regulators at the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services to discuss further action, including possible enforcement against violators.
Again, the advisory memorandum I sent out on this has essentially the force of law. Once we have this conversation with CMS, we'll look to see if we have to take any enforcement actions against any carriers that operate in Montana.
Brown encourages both agents and consumers to report suspicious practices to the Market Conduct Bureau.
I've asked them to sit down and start talking about what we're hearing on the ground and to see what they're hearing and to see if there are any companies that are engaging in these practices.
Brown is welcoming reports from the public about these unfair practices. Want to voice your concerns? Find the phone number to call in at my article at our NBC Montana homepage. Reporting in Missoula, Bowen West, NBC Montana.